Hi and welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 24th of July 2024. So yesterday, Dow's longest win streak in 6 years shrugs off recession, signalling yield curve collapse. So here we go again. Bad news, and the Dow continues to move up, winning streak in 6 years. But you can see why. I mean, we looked at it last week. We'll look at it again this morning. Markets trundle into weekend ahead of pivotal risk events. And talking of economic news, today we got a shed load this morning with the flash services PMI all the way to 2:45 p.m. this afternoon with the US. So again, this one we'll see moving the markets hour by hour as the market reacts accordingly. So let's move on, have a look at this 6-year winning streak in the Dow. Well, it's no surprise to us, is it? Because I started to look at this last week with the monthly chart. We can see exactly what's on the cards here. They want to move the market back up to the all-time highs of 36,952. At the moment, we're just through the 78% retracement. 36,000 is going to be the next psychological target, with 31 points tagged on just to get to that 89. There's nothing to stop the market moving to the upside at the moment. We're heading into the summer holes. Markets will be quiet, and unless there's some black swan event, the markets continue to move to the upside. Here's the winning streak that they're talking about, and we need to take out that 35,373 level. 2:30 p.m. is the time, although we're on Friday, just slightly different. As can be seen there, we had news at 1:30 and the market reacted to that. 2:30, we decided to shake out all of the long stops and then bring the market back before the final half an hour in the Dow. Down overnight, but as ever, straight off the low and moving back up at the moment, sitting at the close. Market's going to react this morning to, like I say, the flash news out all morning, and then the US at 2:45. And in the German DAX, not moving as much, but then this one's already made its all-time high. We're just waiting for the Dow and the S&P to do the same, and then we should see some carnage. But at the moment, the German DAX, bit lackluster, stuck in a sideways range with narrower trading days. Nothing we can do about that. It's just the way that it is. Again, going into summer, it's indicative of these markets to do this. 30-minute, you can see how sideways it was during Friday, then broke out following the news at 1:30 p.m. in the US, and then moved slightly higher. The good thing is, though, it didn't go down to Friday's low overnight. At the moment, it's going to be looking at the S1 and the 200 MA in the 30-minute chart there. And in the S&P 500, we've had a couple of days where the market's sideways. But again, if we look at the monthly chart, just the same as the Dow, you can see that we're heading back to those all-time highs. There, we're just through the 78. So it's a sort of a mirror image, really, of the Dow, and you'd expect that. So we're going to get through 4,671.5, and then we go to 4,817.5 as the all-time high in this market. Like I say, daily chart closed below the 5-bar moving average on Friday. A bit of weakness around here at the moment. It may get a short-term bit of a pullback there, but watch the 89% retracement at 405.05. So make that 4,500 would be the support level for this market. 30-minute chart, very choppy, as you can see there, and like I say, you could expect more of that as well. In the FTSE 100, this up again. We're above the 5-bar moving average quite strongly at the moment, which you can see there, and the 200 MA is in the way here, as well as the 7687 level. That needs to be taken out as well. So it needs to stay above that 5 MA. If not, then we'll see a bit of a pullback. Let's just draw in where it's likely to come back to. Do that again. So yeah, we're looking around 38% there at 75673. Any pullback? If not, we just continue to move to the upside. US dollar gained again on Friday, which impacted the metals. You can see there it's moving up quite strongly, and also trying to get back. Well, it has got back above that 101,058 level at the moment. Let me just double check that. Yep, it has. So determined to bring it back. This has had an impact on the metals, so let's take a look at those. As I said on Friday, get ready for the monkey hammer in silver back down to the 200 MA. Well, this started on Thursday, Friday, and overnight. We're already sinking. We're below the low as well. So going back to the daily chart, so we're heading down. I would say around to 78% retracement, 23.20. They don't want this market up anytime soon, and the 30-minute chart is showing that as well. Gold the same, down on Friday as well, down to that 62.78 that we drew in on Friday's alert. And in the 30 minutes of this, you can see that choppiness there as well. But stronger than silver because it's above the low of Friday, and that can be seen in the gold-silver ratio. Just like that. So we're heading back up to the 80 level for the gold-silver ratio, where if it finds resistance, then we could see silver continue to the downside. But at the moment, if we go through this, then we head back up to that 86 level once more. Regular pattern, it's how it's always been. Okay, let's see how the markets cope with the like I say, the flash news this morning. Let's get that out of the way. It's always a horrible morning when that news is out, because the market reacts, and like I say, AB reacts to it as soon as it comes out. Okay, that's it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.